shop opening up.
Hello, little girl. You look like someone who enjoys magic.
Oh, I do. Are you a magician?
Most assuredly. And I think I see a bright, shiny quarter right in your ear.
That's an ice cube.
No one's perfect, child.
But it is magic.
Say, I could use some help in the magic shop. Would you like a part-time job after school?
Like it? I'd love it.
Professor Coldheart's got something up his sleeve, Love-A-Lot.
And you can bet it's not a magic trick. We better investigate.
Hi! What's the matter? You don't look very cheerful.
There's a little girl who needs our help down on Earth.
I'll go get the balloon ready.
Cast off!
How exciting! My first day on the job, and already I'm left in charge.
So this is where you work, Wendy. It's kind of spooky in here, if you ask me.
It's supposed to be spooky. This is a magic shop.
Say, what's this?
Don't play with that, Jeff. It's Professor Coldheart's top secret project.
Yeah? How's it work? Come on, Linda. Let's see how it works outside.
If you guys really want to do me a favor, you'll give that back to me.
Take it easy, Wendy. We're just gonna have a little fun.
My first day on the job, and already I'm in trouble. I better go after them.
Gangway!
Oh, no! My dress! Look at it! That was a terrible thing to do!
I don't care.
Something is very wrong here. I just don't know why everyone is so unfriendly.
This one's mine, Linda.
Give me back my books, Eddie. I don't want your grubby hands on them.
Fine. I was getting sick of carrying them anyway.
That was great.
Works like a charm.
You've got to give it back to me. That thing is dangerous. Can't you see it's changing everyone?
It's not dangerous. It's fun. I don't know, Jeff. Maybe she's right. We've played with it long enough anyway.
Come on, one last blast. Let's get Wendy.
Look out, Wendy! She can't move away in time!
Care Bears, prepare to stare. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Care Bear, stare. Wendy, are you all right?
Yes. Who are you?
My name is Tenderheart Bear. This is Love-A-Lot Bear. This is Cheer Bear, and this is Funshine Bear. We're the Care Bears. We're here to help.
Thanks, Care Bears. I could use some help.
Hey, it didn't work on Wendy.
So what? Let's go have some real fun. Look at everybody. This is great.
This is awful.
We better do something.
Care Bears to the rescue!
You must be Professor Coldheart.
At your service. I see my unfeeling ray is working better than I could have imagined.
It looks good to me, boss.
Thank you, Jeff and Linda, for testing my device. Now it's time for the final stage of my plan.
Oh, no, you don't, Professor Coldheart. The Care Bears will stop you.
Go away, Care Bears! It's too late for you. I have an announcement. Today begins my greatest plan. With the assistance of my helpers here, I will make more unfeeling rays in my magic shop for everyone to have. We'll all have great fun. Our mission will be accomplished when we've turned everyone on Earth into uncaring people.
That's not the kind of cheering I like to hear.
If Coldheart makes more of those unfeeling rays, no one will ever care again.
I wish we could tell them how awful they're acting.
Maybe I can talk to them. Please listen to me. Professor Coldheart's plan will make life miserable.
Be quiet.
I think it's time for the Care Bear stare. Care Bear stare. A world without caring is a terrible place. It's cold and lonely.
Those fuzzy wuzzies are a nuisance. Why don't you give them a taste of the unfeeling ray?
Care Bears, look out!
I just can't do it.
Well, I can.
Look out for Coldheart.
I don't know how much longer we can keep this up.
Keep trying, Love-A-Lot Bear.
I'm winning. I'm winning.
Oh, no. What can I do? Hey, Professor Coldheart, watch this.
Huh? Get away from me. Yuck!
Care Bear stare.
What are you doing? Stop! Stop!
Here, boss. Want a posy?
No! No! I'm allergic to
We're sorry, Wendy.
Can we be friends?
Sure.
It's too bad Professor Coldheart didn't like the flower shop our Care Bear stare made.
I think it's kind of nice.
It's certainly nothing to sneeze at.
It's the ultimate weapon, Frostbite. Once we're airborne, the entire world will quake before my might. With my flying concrete machine, we'll spray the world and turn it cold and hard. Finish your pre-flight checklist, Frostbite. I'm going to see if I can find us another crew member for our first flight.
Well, we seem to have enough oil, all right.
Gosh, it's so crowded here, there's hardly any room for me to skate.
Say, watch out there.
Whoa! Boy, I wish there was more sidewalk, more concrete. It's not fair. I might as well throw my skates away. All this grass is ruining things.
I couldn't agree with you more.
Who are you?
Professor Coldheart's the name, and concrete is my game.
Concrete! That's what we could use more of.
Ah, concrete's wonderful, child. No better surface in the world for skating.
The only problem is there just isn't enough of it.
You stick with me, and that won't be a problem.
I don't like all this talk about concrete. Professor Coldheart seems to like it, though. That's exactly what worries me. We better investigate. Wait for us!
Have a nice time playing, dear.
I will. I'll have a fantastic time. Not if Professor Coldheart is your playmate, Susie. Professor Coldheart is nobody's friend. Where did you come from? From Care-a-Lot. We're Care Bears, Susie, and we're worried about you. Professor Coldheart is trouble. Anyone who wants to make more concrete is a friend of mine. But concrete will cover up all the beautiful grass and flowers and... I'll bet you don't like roller skating. Well, I'm tired of there not being enough concrete to skate on, and I'm going to do something about it. Don't feel bad, Friend Bear. Sometimes it takes a little while until people realize who their real friends are. We don't have a little while, Cheer Bear. Susie's in big trouble. Friend Bear's right. We'd better go straight to Coldheart Castle before it's too late.
All we need is an hour or two of flight time, and you'll have all the pavement you want, Susie. Your job is to shovel the cement into the mixer.
You sure this will work?
You do your job. Frostbite and I will do ours. Let's see those blasted fuzzy wuzzies stop me now.
It sounds like a...
All right, Frostbite. Get the map out. I want directions to that park. And you're supposed to be the navigator. With you as navigator, we could end up on the moon.
Gee, do you really think so, Professor? Thanks.
This is just too much for us to handle alone. We're gonna need help. I'll go to the Forest of Feelings and ask the Care Bear cousins for help. I'll follow Professor Coldheart in the Cloudmobile. The rest of you go back to the park in case he decides to land there.
Oh, yes, I am the meanest man there is. I truly love this great old meanness biz. Look, Frostbite! Isn't it beautiful?
He's ruined the park.
And I don't think he's gonna stop here.
You're right, Royal Heart. He's leaving to get more concrete. Yay! Go get him, Cheer Care Bear?
Just a quick stop for more concrete, Frostbite.
It looks like we've got company.
So, one of the little fuzzy wuzzies wants to play.
Hey, watch that stuff.
I give the orders around here, kid. You just worry about your shovel.
My shovel? Maybe Friend Bear was right about Professor Coldheart after all.
I know how much you Care Bears like presents. Well, here's a big one from me.
I'd better get out of here. Fast. Oh, I wish I was skating, or walking, or doing anything but this. Yeah. Oh, gee, all I wanted to do was skate. What am I doing?
Grab that last sack, Frostbite, and let's get going.
Oh, did you say something? Yes, it's alive!
I'm alive, Susie. But all those flowers and trees you helped Coldheart cover with cement aren't.
I know. I love flowers and trees, too. I just wanted someplace to skate. I didn't think...
There are plenty of places to skate, but look! An all-concrete world will mean there's no place to swim, no place to have picnics, and no parks to take walks in.
You're right.
Hey, boss, look at that. A 747.
Frostbite, you're doing it again.
Time for us to leave!
They're safe.
Okay, cousins, let's go to work.
Cousins, call. It's working.
We'll take it from here, cousins.
Care Bears, prepare to stare. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Care Bears, stare! I think it's going to rain.
And there'll still be places for you to go roller skating, Susie.
Sometimes you have to share the pavement with others. Just be careful when you skate. I will. But right now, I'm going to have a picnic on this beautiful grass. And I hope you'll all join me.
You know, boss, a picnic doesn't sound like such a bad idea right now.
I'll give you a picnic. If you were doing your job, my plane wouldn't be wrecked. Oh, there's no justice. Those fuzzy wuzzies always win.